Drills can help you and your crew respond rapidly and effectively in an emergency situation and prepare you to make decisions under pressure. Drills can also help you identify how your response procedures might be improved and present an opportunity to check your response equipment. Developing teamwork is also an added benefit when conducting drills. And most importantly, the proficiency gained from drills may save your life or the life of a crewmate and prevent serious damage to your vessel or facility. This program has been developed to emphasize the importance of emergency response drills and to share some tips on how to make your onboard drills more effective. More often than not, the crew of a vessel or offshore facility must rely on their own capabilities in an emergency. There probably won't be a fire department, rescue vessels, or other first responders in close proximity during an emergency. So, the first responders are you.